Thank you for your immense love and support. So as you can see, there is a change in my background, and I'm changing my floral background into a bohemian style. So if you want to see a separate video on that, do let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, let's come to today's topic, and today's topic is that my subscriber Dona Shorkar has requested me to make a separate video on my drawings and cards. So I came up with all of these cute cards, as you can see, with the offbeat colors. These are all the colors that people doesn't use in any kind of project, so I thought that I will use it in this project. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So I will be using this yellow sheet of 60 GSM and this purple sheet of 160 GSM. So now I have marked 3 cm in this side and 2 cm in that side, and I have cut it out, fold it and cut from the middle. So now I have folded this purple paper, and now I will stick this yellow sheet with the purple one. Smoothen the glue like this, and this will help you not to form any kind of wave on the paper. Now take this white sheet and cut this measurement, and now glue it and smoothen the glue and just stick it. Now take a red sheet and draw a random circle and cut it. And now measure a circle that will be smaller than the red one and draw it and cut it. I will be doing on all of these papers. So now take a small piece of red paper and draw this kind of 2 circles and cut it. And now I have fixed it with the head part. So now I am fixing this googly eyes. Now draw the mouth. Now stick a foam tape and stick it like so. Take the blue circle and stick 1 foam tape. The yellow one I will be sticking only 2 foam tape. As you can see, this is giving a 3D look. So now for the pink one I will be using only 1 foam tape. The orange one I will be using 2 foam tapes. And for the green one I will be using only 1 foam tape. So now I am drawing the legs of the caterpillar. And now some decorations, as you can see. Now I am writing happy birthday. Good to go. So for the next card I will be using this paper and cut measurements and now fold it. And now I have cut these circles from the colored paper. Now I am coloring the border with the black sketch pen. So now I will repeat this step with all the other circles. So now I will fix the googly eyes, and you can see the pattern of the googly eyes is different for each face. So now I have sticked all the faces on the card. So now take a white sheet and draw this kind of caps and color it with sketch pens. So yeah, I have done all of these. So now I will take the card and I will attach it with a single foam tape. So now I am drawing their eyebrows and the mouth. So now I am writing happy birthday and some decorations and good to go. So now for this next project I will be using this white sheet and glitter foam. So now I have cut this dinosaur shaped and I have sticked it with a glue. So now I am sticking its legs with the help of a foam tape. So now I have sticked the googly eyes. So I have cut all of these 3 hearts from another glitter papers and 3 strings also. Now I will attach the strings like this. Don't cut this leftover string, it will give a tying effect. So now fix the hearts like this. So I'm writing happy birthday now, and now I'm outlining these hearts to just give a classy look, and you are done. So now for the next project I will be using this colored paper. So now take this orange sheet and I will be drawing a heart shape and cut it. I will repeat the same step with these 3 colors. So now I have got all of my hearts. So now let's stick it together. Stick in this order. That this is the final thing. So now I will stick this parachute, heart parachute, on my card. Follow my steps. Now I will take this white leftover piece and I will draw the clouds and cut it out. And with the help of a foam tape, I will be sticking this on the card. I am writing happy birthday. So for the next card, I have cut 3 circles of random size and 3 leaf shaped from a violet foam sheet and a white foam sheet. I will stick this white leaves on the violet foam like so. And now I will stick this googly eyes. So now I have shown you previously to how to stick this kind of papers. And now I will stick my birdies on my card. Follow my steps. And now I will stick these cute little hats. I have shown you earlier that how I made these kind of hats. I will draw their legs. Now I am writing happy birthday. So yeah, I am done.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit that like button and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but do share your comments. And if you want to see any kind of videos from me, then do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, if you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. So if you liked my work, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon beside it. And I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye, love you all.